Omu rukiiko ruhikirwemu minisita w'enshonga za Bunyoro n'abanyeshengero b'orurembo rwa Hoima aba Baka Contractors babuuziibwe akasyo n'akahindo ngu ahabw'enki omurimo ogu bakwasiibwe ogw'okugarukamu n'okuhangusya oruguuto rwa Busunju Kiboga kuraba Kyankwanzi kuza Hoima gurikutambura kasoobo.
The project was supposed to last about 36 months. Actually, by now it should be finished. And now you've got an extension to February 2027. So we are wondering if you have done roughly about 40% over a period of more than 36 months. Now, how are you going to, which miracle are you going to use? Even if, I know you have given us a challenge, that the timely release of money, we shall, we are all here, and we have got our honorable minister here, and the three of us, we are going to push to show that the money comes, but it looks really, a very, mountainous task.
What I wanted to, because you say our focus now is here in the city because the project covers more than 4 districts. But I also want to bring it to you that this project concerns us because it is our destination to the capital city that takes us and takes our goods and everything. So we are very concerned of all the other parts, even up to Busunju.
Nyakato Asenas ori omwishengero kazorembo rwa Hoima aburiza aba Baka Contractors ngo habw'enki bakora mporo murimo kandi bari kumanya obukuru bw'oruguuto oru na munonga habw'empaka za Afukoni.
We are really very concerned and the most problems that we faced on that road because of the delayed works and those works that are going on, we have gotten them around those other parts that don't even watch are not even next to us.
Someone can easily know that there is a hump ahead. You find when they have hit batches of soil in the road and you cannot know, but literally would you know when you are hitting that hump? Can the safety engineers and also the station engineers on the construction of it put more safety measures for our travelers?
Minisita w'enshonga za Bunyoro Grace Mary Mugasa ashabira aba Baka Contractors okwatanisa n'abembezi okukora omurimo gw'abakwasiibwe
so that we can build synergies. We don't want to be troops that are not well guided. All of us should move in the right direction. Not saying this one is turning left, this one kulia, kushoto, another one, it makes project implementation delay.
Engineer Bardo Kiniga uri project manager habwa Baka Contractors agizire ngo kibakyerize n'orutarwahira namwe na America.
We are looking at other sources which we are actively engaging, which are not affected by the other side of the line. Only the price is the only challenge.
Gasha kwa Mbrozi Nwaga Bakatoto.